Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ford Escape SEL. This four-door SUV has a three-cylinder, 1.5-liter i3 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed manual transmission. This Ford has less than 137,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.